About this item: USB-C to dual HDMI monitor adapter, 2-in-1. This dual monitor adapter expands your laptop's USB-C ports into two HDMI port 4K at 60 Hz. Use this USB-C dual HDMI dongle extend your one monitors to two external multiple monitors, support different image 2*4K 30 Hz on your monitors, and this dual HDMI adapter allows you to do different project on different monitors. Boost your work productivity and efficiency. It is an ideal USB-C accessories for photography, programmer, data analysis, etc. Wide compatible. This USB-C HDMI adapter almost support all USB-C laptops. Dell XPS 12, 9250, / Dell XPS 13, 9350, / Dell XPS 15, 9550, Dell Latitude 13 7000 / Latitude 13 E7370 / Lenovo Yoga 720 / Yoga 910 / Yoga 920 / Yoga 930 / HP Spectre X2 X3